This is not View 3 or Gemini AI, not even a mid journey. This is Grok AI. Yes, and in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to generate this type of realistic AI video using Grok AI for completely free. Yes, Elon Musk has done it again. Yes, Grok AI cannot generate high quality video, and not just video, also high quality image using just a prompt. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how to generate quality AI video using Grok AI. And guess what? It is absolutely free. Yes, 100% free and also unlimited. So make sure to pay very close attention so you don't miss any part of this video. I'm not going to talk much on this video. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
Alright guys, so for you to do this, you just have to head over to your Play Store, search for Grok 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 by AI. Do you understand this particular one? Click it. As you can see, this particular AI, this particular Grok AI assistance. Go ahead and click it. Go ahead and install it. As you can see, if you look very well, you see that my own is already. The reason why my own is showing open is because I've already installed the app. That is why my own is showing open. Okay, but for you, it's going to say install. So just go ahead and install it. All right, go ahead and install it. So after you install it, come back here. Alright guys, so now that we have installed the app successfully, let's go ahead and get a prompt from ChatGPT. So let's use ChatGPT to generate a prompt. Let me say I will tell ChatGPT to generate a prompt, a picture. Let me say a picture in a modern kitchen. Alright, so go ahead and hit OK. Okay, so this is just the prompt. So now we have gotten our prompt. You don't need to get image or anything. That's one thing I love about this AI that we want to use. All right, so now see what is going to happen. Okay, so now we have gotten our prompt. So now we just have to go ahead and head over to Grok to generate our video. Okay, so now we want to generate our video, right? You can generate picture here. That is text to picture, a quality image from this AI. And also you can also use this AI to generate the video. You can convert the picture into video. All right, and also you can also upload your own photo and convert it to video. But for the purpose of this video, we've just gotten a prompt from ChatGPT to generate a photo, right? So we just have to go ahead and generate a photo and convert the photo into a video. It's not that we are going to do it in two ways. It's just one way. Watch me as I'm going to do it. So you just have to go ahead. If you open it like this, you see, but you are going to see ask me or image. If you want to generate just image, you can just go ahead and click image. And another great thing about this AI is that it's absolutely free. Yes, 100% free. So for you to generate a video, you just have to go ahead and click create videos. All right, as you can see, if you look very well, you see create video. Go ahead and click create video. Click create video, and then we just have to go ahead and paste our prompt. Okay, at this point there are two things you can do. Is either you upload a photo or you just paste your prompt. Okay, paste the prompt that you generated from ChatGPT. Paste the prompt that you want to use to create a photo. Okay, so watch me as I'm going to do it. Go ahead and paste your prompt. This is the prompt that we got from ChatGPT, right? Paste the prompt and hit OK. Now let's watch and see the magic from Grok AI. Okay, it doesn't take time. Okay, I didn't cut the video. You see, but wow, this is cool. This is nice. Okay, now watch our video. Now look at our picture. Our picture has been generated. Okay, look at our picture. So now the great thing, one thing that make me love Grok AI video is that you don't need to do anything again. So for you to convert this photo into a video is for you to just click this plus icon. Okay, just go ahead and click this plus icon, and then your photo is being converted into video. Look at it as it is right now. It's converting this photo into a video. Now watch and see. Okay, you see ba, you see, you just generate the photo, and then with just a click, and you can convert the photo into a video. Now let's play the video and see. Wow, this is cool, this is nice. Okay, with just a click, I generate the photo, and then the photo turned to video, and it is absolutely free. Guy, this is cool, this is nice. Look at that. So for you to download your video, you can just go ahead, look at this drop down arrow, go ahead and click it, and your video will be downloaded into your gallery successfully. Okay, there are a whole lot of options here. There are a whole lot of options here. You see, but I can just go, I can just, if I like any of this one, I can just go ahead and click this plus icon, and then this picture will be converted into a video with just a click. Okay, now, all right guys, so now let's make another example. For example, let me say you want to use your own picture, right? You want to convert your own picture into a video. Click this plus icon to upload your photo, and then let me say I want to upload which picture. Okay, let me upload this picture, this particular picture. All right, now let's watch and see. Okay, our our video is being generated. This picture is going to be converted into video. Let's watch and see. This picture will be converted into video. Now let's watch and see. Guy, look at that. Guy, look at that. Wow, wow, look at that. This is cool, this is nice. Look at this. Wow, wow. There's actually sound. You can click the sound, and then the sound will play. Now watch and see again. You see? Wow, this is cool, this is nice, guy. This is too real to be fake, guy. And another good thing you can do using this AI is the fact that you can enhance your photo or your design. For example, let me say you have a particular photo that is blur, or the photo is nowhere okay. You can go ahead and enhance the photo. Now look at this. Go ahead and click edit image. You see ba? Then upload the photo. Let me say I want to enhance this photo. Okay, let me say I want to enhance this photo. All right, this particular photo, I don't even know the person. Let me say you want to enhance this photo. As you can see, you see by enhance image, and then go ahead and click OK. And then without wasting much of your time, the photo is going to be enhanced. Okay, now let's see. Without changing your face, look at that. Look at that. Without changing the face, without changing anything, it just enhance the photo. All right, you see ba, look at the photo. It enhanced. Now this photo is more bright, it's more brighter, more sharp, more okay than the previous one. All right, so this is another good thing I love so much about Grok. Okay, Grok is very okay, very nice, and everything on Grok is absolutely free. That's one thing I love about them. Now another thing again, but if you like, you can just choose a color. Let me say new glowing color. Now neon glowing color. See the image. See the way it's going to enhance the image again. All right. I just click new glowing color. Right. Okay. Now let's watch and see. Okay. You look back. You see. You see. This is cool. This is nice. Look at the image now. Okay. This image was blur, and now it's sharp. It's very okay. You can just go ahead and download it. All right. Wow, this is cool. This is nice. This is another form of photo editing using Grok AI for free. I tell it to use, you see, but like this, if you use this particular one, use sparkling star, and then boom, look at that. Okay, look at that star. You see how bright this image is now. Okay, look at it. The background, it just changed the background a little bit for me without changing the person face. Do you understand? Without changing the person face, you can use another one. Let me say galactic swirl or swill. I don't know, but look at that. I click that one, and then it will add another style. Now let's watch and see. Okay, wow, wow. Without changing the person face, guy. Without changing the person face. This is one thing I love about Grok. All right, you see, but the background, you just change the background. Look at it. You just change the background. All right, look at the real image. Oh. look at the real image. When I click vibrant color, it add the vibrant color to the image. When I click new glowing color, it add it, make it more brighter. When I click sparkling stars, look at that, look at the background. When I click galactic soil, okay, you can just edit image. This place is image editing. Okay, there's a particular section for you to edit your image or design. That's another great thing about Grok.
So this is basically how to generate high quality video and photo using Grok AI. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are watching from YouTube, and don't forget to follow this account if you are watching from Facebook, Instagram or TikTok. I'm Big Jonah, as per usual friend. Hand to head salute. Bye.